4 days to go. Ramadan is only days away. Are you prepared? Not just spiritually, but physically and mentally? Throughout history, the greatest minds and scholars have understood the importance of preparation. And today, we dive deep into the secrets of health preparedness for Ramadan, merging prophetic wisdom with modern science. Let's dive in. 1. Diet and digestive health. Lessons from history. Over 1,400 years ago, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, set a golden standard for fasting, breaking his fast with dates and water, a practice that modern nutritionists confirm as one of the best ways to reintroduce food gently after fasting. But what about those struggling with digestive issues, like ulcers? Essential advice for ulcer patients. Medication timing. Doctors recommend taking proton pump inhibitors or H2 blockers during non-fasting hours. But if symptoms persist, consulting a physician is crucial before continuing the fast. Foods to avoid. Acidic, spicy, and fatty foods can be the enemy of ulcer sufferers. Hydration strategy. Modern science and the Sunnah agree. Water intake must be maximized during non-fasting hours to prevent irritation. Stress management. Anxiety worsens ulcers, so incorporating prayer, mindfulness, and relaxation techniques is essential. 2. Preparing for the month of work. Ramadan isn't just about fasting, it's about balance. How can you ensure that your energy levels stay optimal while handling work, family, and spirituality? Time management. Schedule demanding tasks early in the morning or after iftar to avoid exhaustion. Prioritization. Make a list of critical tasks and reschedule non-urgent ones. Energy conservation. Light exercise like stretching and walking can keep circulation going without overexertion. Sleep adjustments. Gradually shifting bedtime can prevent the fatigue crash many experience in the first few days of Ramadan. 3. Merging Islamic historical wisdom with modern science. Islamic scholars have long emphasized that protecting one's health takes precedence over strict adherence to fasting in extreme cases. Modern research echoes this wisdom, revealing that a well-balanced suhoor and iftar can prevent gastrointestinal distress and keep energy levels stable. Historical insights. Early Muslims understood that fasting requires discipline, not starvation. Modern research. Studies show that sudden dietary changes can shock the body. Proper meal planning is essential. 4th final checklist for the next 4 days. Consult a doctor if you have a health condition like ulcers. Check. Stock up on nutritious, easy-to-digest foods. Check. Organize your medications for non-fasting hours. Check. Adjust your work schedule to reduce stress. Check. Set Ramadan goals, both spiritual and practical. Check. Increase hydration gradually. Check. Ease into a Ramadan-friendly sleep cycle. Check. Preparation is key. Just as warriors sharpen their swords before battle, we must prepare our minds, bodies, and souls for the blessed month ahead. Make the effort today, and your Ramadan will be one of ease, health, and spiritual growth. Like, share, and subscribe for more powerful Ramadan insights. May this Ramadan be your best one yet.